You got everything?
Yeah. I got keys.
I need to get my wallet from the car. And my eye is spicy.
Why is it spicy?
Don't rub it into your eye.
I'm not very out of my eye.
I like your glasses options.
Thank you. One is Joker's, one is mine.
Yeah.
We both do. We go into the smash room. I gotta get my wallet. Don't break some shit, as Leasha said. The money. I need the money. Hi, baby.
Lock your car.
Not yet. I'm gonna open the door for you.
Thank you. Such a gentleman.
Treat the woman right. Oh.
Did you look at your car?
No, I'm doing it now.
Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Excuse me, I'm still bleeding.
Sorry about that. I told you to hold the thing.
That's okay, I'll just blame the smash room. Why am I bleeding? It's pretty glass. Where we going, Leash?
A direction.
Are we getting coffee?
Yeah. Do we want coffee?
Okay, so we're gonna get coffee and chais.
Should we get them closer to the final destination though? Otherwise then we might need to...
Fuck, shut up.
Well, it's an hour to, well, it's about an hour, so it just depends if you want to drink them on the way, or if you like drinking to get them closer, we will have to let them sit there, and then any ice or hot will go away.
Yeah, I forget you guys take forever to drink stuff.
The idea is she's not like drinking.
Yeah. So do we want to
Fast.
get our drinks here?
Yeah, get them down the street. With the name that shall not be named.
Hey, can I get a large iced latte with no ice and extra sugar syrup, please?
A large iced latte with what, sorry?
No ice, please. And extra sugar syrup.
Yeah.
And can I get a large
Okay,
chai
milk.
latte? Yes, thanks.
I'll just have to let them know about the no ice because it's not
Yep.
getting, yeah. But what was the rest of it?
Can I get a large chai latte?
Yeah.
And
Full cream milk?
yeah, full cream milk. And a large chocolate frappe, please.
We actually can't do frappe, sorry. Is there anything else you'd like?
Large iced chocolate, thanks.
Full cream milk?
Yep.
Is it off today?
Yes, thanks.
Awesome, Jack, when you're ready.
Okay, we're gonna drink. Oh, thanks. Monopoly. We're gonna drive to the place. I will catch you up with then.
English.
Science.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. I need this for my room.
Yes. It is dry
Judgmentally.
What's that?
I said that's I'm like, I'm reading this book.
You look smashing.
Whoa.
We're going for adventure.
I want the zombie killing mutant.
So we made it. Coco and Tash are late, as always. Did you bring me some Macca's? Did you bring me some Macca's? What is it? Oh no, I'm good. I just had a iced coffee. Hello, how you doing? You can have a hug too. You're so little.
You filming everything?
Yeah. Gotta make a vlog. Everyone's like, oh, you gotta film. Okay.
Are we allowed to take cameras in?
Yeah.
Cool, because I brought my Polaroid.
Nice. Hello. Yeah, say anything, just don't accidentally smash it.
No.
Yeah. That's easy, like, don't drop it.
Camera is not a baseball bat.
I literally had to text Raph and I was like, when's his birthday? Is it tomorrow or today? I know it's one of them. I was like,
Am I meant to read all this?
no, just go down and then just go yes.
I
just went, oh yes,
I'm completing this way right now. No.
Coco looks like the person who's not looking like he's gonna smash. He looks like he's going on a date to smash, not he to smash.
He looks like he's going to
He's not a date with me. He's going to smash, but he's not going to smash. This lighting is horrible with that window there.
When you edit this, can I put a giant picture of my face?
You don't want to be in it?
No.
Okay, I got you. I'll just stop filming with you.
Gotcha. So, you still get quite warm once you've got your suits on, so I do recommend taking off all the jackets and jumpers and stuff. You can pop those onto the coat rack that's in the corner, just around there. We also have lockers around that side as well if anyone has any personal belongings that they're wanting to keep away. You can hang on to your phones though. You're welcome to bring those all in with you to take photos and connect up to the speaker. I would suggest popping your hats and beanies in there because we've got these safety visors to give you guys. Once you're all done with that, come back around the front here for me and I'll bring you upstairs for the induction video.
Cool. What? Yeah, I asked him, I was like, it's cool if I film, and he was like, yeah. Don't break it. Yeah, we've got a sign out there that say you look smashing, so I gotta try and prove it.
No one gave me answers, so I didn't do anything. I asked. Didn't get any answers.
I said hang it all over a public.
Got a war going on inside my head in a fight. I don't think that I can win. Cut deep, wounds underneath my skin, paper thin. My shame swallowed me whole, beat me down, tormenting my soul. Hiding my face, losing my face to these chains. Keep me living in this place. Buried alive, buried alive. I'm asking myself, will I survive, will I survive? I can't escape my vices 'cause they numb the pain. Trying to forget the mistakes I've made. Will I survive, will I survive? It's like I'm buried alive. I don't even recognize myself anymore. Searching but I don't even know what I'm looking for. Feels like I've been down this road, taking myself a deeper road. Endless nightmares, all alone. Why does this graveyard feel like home? My shame swallowed me whole, beat me down, tormenting my soul. Hiding my face, losing my face to these chains. Keep me living in this place. Buried alive, buried alive. I'm asking myself, will I survive, will I survive? I can't escape my vices 'cause they numb the pain. Trying to forget the mistakes I've made. Will I survive, will I survive? It's like I'm buried alive. It's like I'm buried alive.
I got ice running through my veins. So focused on the light, I can't feel the pain. Doing damage like a frozen hurricane. No one can stop me 'cause I'm cold, cold-blooded, cold.
Cold-blooded! Rising to illusion, symbols like confusion. You create the problem, so I create solutions. I got so much to people fucking like a gold rush. Pushing through my true love for my passion 'cause I want running through my veins. So focused on the light, I can't feel the pain. Doing damage like a frozen hurricane. No one can stop me cause I'm cold, cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. Seems like I'm living in a world of fire. Heavy smoke, trying to choke me out. Opposition all around me, so I build my guard up like an army. I'm ready for World War III. No surrender, no retreat. Ain't no battle too much for me. You can try to drag me down. Just 6 feet underground. Didn't think that was on me. Didn't think that would wear me down. I'm a believer, overachievers into the future. I'm a mind reader, already hearing the gatekeeper say, wait, this dude thinks he can rap? I know I can, cause I got eyes running down.
What up guys, Future Nomad here. So a couple days later, I'm editing. I've ignored everything that I told myself to do during the vlog. I'd be like, Nomad, add this in, Nomad, don't add this in. So you don't see those because they were dumb and stupid. Nevertheless, we pretty much finished up the Smash Room. At the end, we walked out, we got changed, we went to have dinner. I was going to pick the camera up, but where we went for dinner was so busy, so hectic, you wouldn't have heard anything. So that is it for this vlog. If you want to see more things like a smashing shit where there are talks of axe throwing, paintball, things like that, if you want to see more, hit the like button, hit the sub button, because this took a lot of effort. It took money, editing time, craziness that I'm not good at. So I put a lot of effort into this. So if you do like it, let me know, and I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys whenever I film next.